Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Our easy recipe for today is this delicious Cassava Suman with coconut filling, or better known Kurukod of Eastern Summer. Shout out to Wisdom of Elohim. This recipe is for you, sir, ma'am. Guys, if you want to know how I make this delicious Cassava Suman, please stay tuned and I will show you how I make it. Let's start with the ingredients. 2 package of 16 ounce frozen grated cassava, 2 tablespoons of star margarine or salted butter, or if for business, 1 teaspoon of salt, half cup of light brown sugar, and 1/4 cup kang gata or coconut cream. For the bukayo filling, 2 cups of grated young coconut meat, half cup of coconut water or plain water if for business, and 1 cup dark brown sugar. Banana leaves, cut and heated to be pliable. Let's start by squeezing the grated cassava, reserve the juice and set aside. If you have a fresh cassava fruit or yuca, choose the finest grater. While waiting for the cassava juice to set the starch, let's make the filling by mixing the dark brown sugar and coconut juice. Mix to dissolve the sugar. When it's starting to form a thread on the syrup, then add the young coconut meat. Cook the filling until thickened and set aside. The reserved cassava juice already separate the starch. Remove the juice and get the starch. The starch will make chewy the cassava cake. Mix the cassava starch back to the grated cassava. Then add the light brown sugar to the cassava mixture. Then put the coconut cream to bind together and for added creaminess to the mixtures and mix. And for flavor enhancer, I added star margarine or salted butter, or if for business, just add salt. I use my clean hands to mix thoroughly all the ingredients of the cassava cake. After mixing everything, let's assemble the kurukod or Cassava Suman with coconut filling. Get 1 piece of banana leaf, clean, then scoop 2 heaping spoons of the cassava mixtures and 1 heaping spoon of the coconut filling. Then arrange the filling and fold the banana leaves. With all the cassava mixtures and coconut filling. Get a steamer or a big pot, line the banana leaves before putting the wrapped Cassava Suman with coconut filling. Then add water. The water should cover all the wrapped cassava cake or Cassava Suman. I added more water to cover all the wrapped Cassava Suman for evenly cook. When the water is boiling, set the fire to the medium setting and steam for 40 minutes to an hour. After 40 minutes of steaming, let's check. It smells good. Hello guys! Tasting time! Okay, we're gonna try this. It's good! It's not so sweet. Even the coconut filling, it's not so sweet. Try this, guys. It's really good. It's not sweet. All the ingredients and the exact measurement, I will write it down below on the description area, okay? It's good. And by the way, thank you so much to all my new subscribers. You know, from the bottom of my heart, meet me, your new subscribers, and the old one, those early ones. Thank you so much. We're almost in 1K now. Yay! 1K. Yes. And what else? And also the good compliment, you know, it really encouraged me to do more videos with all those good compliments, those good comments. Thank you so much, my new subscribers. You're so sweet, all of you. Thank you. And what else? And if you like this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up, the like button, and subscribe so we reach the 1,000, my first 1,000 subscribers. See you soon. Thank you, Lord. Okay, and bye bye guys. Happy Sunday.